What's up, guys? Here we are again, SHOT Show 2026. And I'm standing over here with my guy from Standard Manufacturing. And if you've been following me, you already know we did the SP12, the DP12, and we're getting ready to do the SSR here in a minute. But when I was stumbling through the catalog, right, I stumbled upon the Superpower. So I made sure to double back over here with my guy Lou and see if I can get y'all a quick 411 rundown on the Superpower. Lou, tell me about the Superpower, man, because you was hiding it from me when I saw you.
I was hiding it.
You was hiding it. It's all good. We're here
You
now.
found it. That's all the important thing.
Yes, sir.
Hi, I'm Lou from Standard Manufacturing. This is the Superpower 2511. Even though it doesn't look like a 1911, it's a 1911 every way. Mechanically, the trigger system, the ejection system, the takedown system is exactly a 1911. You got that crisp brake, exactly how a 1911 works. Again, it doesn't look like a 1911 with the polymetric frame and the metal slide. On top of that, this is a 9mm double stack magazine, which I'm going to talk more about in a little bit. It's got the skeletonized hammer, and on top of that, it has a 3-inch barrel. What makes this thing really great, yes, folks, ladies and gentlemen, takes a Glock 9mm magazine that you probably have a bunch of already.
Yep.
So it works very accurately, very reliably, with a standard Glock magazine, double stack, 2511. There it is.
That's it, man. That's nice. I like the barrel. So tell me a little bit about what you did with that barrel, Lou.
This barrel is fluted, as you can see, and it also has a very hard coating of titanium nitride. When you go and you buy these drill bits at the store, the very expensive drill bits to have that gold plating on there, that's not gold. That's actually a titanium nitride. It's very hard. It's harder than a diamond.
So with that nitride, I'm pretty sure that's easy to clean too, right?
Absolutely. Easy to clean. Also adds in lubricity.
Yeah.
And it looks cool, if nothing else.
Man, that's cool. So what can we expect to see these hit the market at, Lou?
In about 90 days.
What price though?
As of now, again, don't hold me to it. Don't hold my feet to the fire. We're trying to retail them at $12.99.
Okay.
Again, that's just pie in the sky number.
I got it. So we ballparking. So that
ballparking.
It could change.
It might be $250. It might be $2,000.
Might be. We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
Man. So Lou, man, I appreciate the time.
Put it there.
Oh yeah. For everybody watching, make sure y'all go tap in with Standard Manufacturing on Instagram. That's STD Gun. Just in case you didn't know, now you know. But it's your boy Harrison, and I'm out.